When my shoulders fold from carrying the day's long weight, a whisper comes and steadies me, says breathe, I change your state. You pull the tired from my bones and teach my heart to stand. A quiet courage settles like a warm and steady hand. Oh, quiet courage, soft and sure, you build me from the inside. I rest, I hold, I find my strength in you who will provide. I sleep, I wake, renewed by grace. Your promise lights my way. Held in calm, I rise again. You make me brave each day. When fear rehearses failures and the future feels unclear, you breathe a small reminder, I am with you, have no fear. Your calm becomes my heartbeat, your word becomes my map. You steady every footstep and remove the tightening trap. Quiet courage, soft and sure, you build me from the inside. I rest, I hold, I find my strength in you who will provide. I sleep, I wake, renewed by grace. Your promise lights my way. Held in calm, I rise again. You make me brave each day. Lay down the load, let grace rehearse the muscles of your soul. One slow breath, one quiet step, you are held and you are whole. I am brave, I am loved, I am held without demand. Sleep now, rest now, held by your steady hand. Light for the soul, courage through